Hello, welcome to EDUSOFT. Today we are going to discuss about what is potentiometer. A potentiometer is a manually adjustable variable resistor with three terminals. So we can say that a potentiometer is designed to be adjusted manually, typically by a knob or moving a slider. So with the help of this slider or knob, we can rotate the slider and adjust the resistance value. So what is variable resistor? It serves as a variable resistor, allowing the adjustment of resistance within a circuit. So within a circuit, if you want to change the resistance value, so you can adjust the knob. With the help of that knob or slider, you can adjust the resistor. That's why we can say that this is variable resistor. There are three terminals are there in this potentiometer. You can see here the three terminals are there. A potentiometer has three terminals. So the two outer terminals, these two, this one and this one. These two outer terminals are connected to the ends of a resistive element, forming a fixed resistance. So with the help of this thing, we can form a fixed resistance. And the third terminal is connected to a movable wiper. You can see here the yellow one. This is movable wiper and this is the knob or slider. With the help of this, we can rotate and this wiper rotate on this resistive element. The adjustable wiper is connected to the third terminal and moves along this resistive element. So this is the resistive element and these two terminals connected with this resistive terminal, and this wiper also rotate or move on this resistive element. So we can see here pin diagram. In the potentiometer, there are three terminals are there. So first one, second and third. The pin 1 or first terminal, this is the fixed terminal, can be connected to one of the resistive path. So this is the resistive element and this is the path of this resistive element. So pin 1 and pin 3, these two pins are connected with the resistor element. And the second pin, pin 2, this changeable end can be connected to the wiper to give variable voltage. So this pin is connected with the adjustable wiper and this pin and wiper is connected with this knob or slider. So with the help of this knob and slider, we can change or we can see the variation in the value of the resistance. So it's a changeable voltage. We can say that. Now we'll see the types of potentiometer. The first potentiometer is linear potentiometer. A linear potentiometer is a type of position sensor. They are used to measure displacement along a single axis, either up and down or left and right. So with the help of this potentiometer, we can see the position and you can control the audio system and volume control you can linearly you can do. This wiper you can see here, this is the rotation linearly. It is a type of potentiometer where the wiper moves along a linear or straight path. You can see in the picture, you can see here, this is the linear motion of this wiper. So there are some characteristics like the wiper of a linear potentiometer moves along a straight line according to this potentiometer. There is some application of this potentiometers are like volume control in audio system, linear position sensors in instrumentation, in control panel, adjusting parameters in linear position. These are the most important application of this linear potentiometer. Now the next part is rotatory potentiometer. A rotatory potentiometer is an adjustable electrical resistor that can be moved by means of a rotatory motion. This allows control processes to be implemented in various electrical or electronic system. For example, for volume control in multimedia devices. So like other potentiometer, a rotatory potentiometer typically has three terminals. The two outer terminals are connected to the ends of a resistive element and the third one is connected with the wiper. You can see in the picture, these are the three terminals are there and first one and the third one. These terminals are connected with the resistive element and the third one, this pin number 2 is connected with the wiper. That wiper, it will rotate as a slider switch and you can adjust the resistive element value or resistor's value. There are some example of this rotatory potentiometer are like volume control on amplifiers, stereo, and other audio devices. And there's adjustable settings in electronic circuits for parameters like brightness or tuning you can adjust. So you already, I think you can saw that in the television or like audio device like radio, these things you can use this potentiometer. So next type is mechanical potentiometer. This type of potentiometer is still available and adjustments of the wiper are implemented by twisting a knob, moving a slider, or using a screwdriver. So you can say that this type of potentiometer that is adjustable through mechanical means rather than electronic or digital control. There are some characteristics are there. Like other potentiometers, a mechanical potentiometer is designed to be adjusted manually, typically by turning a knob, sliding a lever, or using a screwdriver to turn a screw. So you can see the picture clearly. You can see this is the things. You have to put the screwdriver and rotate this knob, and you can adjust the value of resistance. The primary function of a mechanical potentiometer is to act as a variable resistor, allowing for the adjustment of resistance in circuit. There are some examples also there. So in audio equipment, we can use this potentiometer, adjustable setting in for parameter in electronic circuit, or it comes in different size and resistance value, and that the analog functions of a potentiometer. It is often used for trimming and scaling analog signals by microcontrollers. So this potentiometer with the help of microcontroller, it will trim or scale, like it will limit or yeah, you can crop the things using this digital potentiometer, or you can limit the resistance value of any in any circuit. It is used in various electronic systems, including audio equipments, instrumentation, and any applications where precise and programmable control of resistance or voltage is required. Now we can see the application of potentiometer. There are some example or application of this potentiometer are like potentiometer have a wide range of applications in various industries due to their ability to provide variable resistance and voltage control. So there are some examples of potentiometer. So first thing is it is used in audio equipment like controlling the volume and control the uh, like some scaling the volume. In electronic circuit, like you can do the calibration in the electronic components, instrumentations, control system, automation and robotics, power supplies, transduction and sensors, medical devices. So in these devices, you can use the potentiometer, like audio control, you can saw that the television and the audio, you can see the knobs. With the help of the knob, you can control the volume or you can control the brightness also. Television and transducer, like in the television you can change the brightness or something else. In the transducer you can change the resistance value or sensor value. And in the instrumentation you can do various things in the instrumentation also. So these are the applications of potentiometer. Now we can see the next thing and discuss about the one project, or you can take some examples. So in the next thing, we'll discuss about how to make the brightness control circuit or volume control circuit. One project, the brightness control circuit using Tinkercad. I think everyone you have this Tinkercad. So please everyone open this Tinkercad and log in with your email ID or your uh, old one ID. And you have to select this design option. And after that, we have to click on the create. After create option, we have to click on this circuit because we are going to make a circuit using Tinkercad. So this is the platform where we have to design our next circuit, the brightness controlled circuit using potentiometer. You can see here, this is the potentiometer here. You can see there is a 3 terminal. terminal 1, wiper, and terminal 2. Okay, and this is the thing. With the help of this, we can rotate. This is the wiper thing. So for this project, we can see this potentiometer and take some other components like breadboard. For brightness control, we can take this LED, resistance, and most important thing, 9-volt battery. Sorry. So we'll take this battery and you can rotate also. So first of all, we can put this LED. Everyone, you know this LED, it stands for light emitting diode. This is the LED, this is the anode, and this is the cathode. Anode is positive terminal and cathode is negative terminal. So we'll take this resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor we can take here, and you can connect in front of this anode. You can see here, this is the anode. In the same line, we have to connect this 1 kilo ohm resistance. And now we have to take this negative terminal and connect like this with this port. We can change the color also of this, the wire of the color, wire color. Okay. And we have to take this. We can provide the power. How we can do that? So first of all, we have to take this positive terminal of the battery and we have to connect with positive terminal of this breadboard. And this is the negative one. We can connect with the negative supply. We can change the color also. This red one we have to change as a red color. So this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Okay, so we have to power up this breadboard. Now what we can do, we have to provide this power with LED and resistance. So we have to take this negative terminal and connect anywhere here and change the color of this negative black. And we have to connect this wiper like this and see it's working or not. No, it's not working. Why? Because there is no positive supply. We have to provide this wiper. So what we can do, this we can take this from here and connect anywhere here and change the color also. And now we have to connect this wiper here anywhere. And now click on the start simulation option. You can check it's working or not. You can see it's working, the brighter side. And when we have to rotate slowly, you can see the brightness of the LED will slow down and totally gone. Slowly we can increase the brightness of this LED. You can see the changes. Slowly we can rotate this wiper, the adjustable terminal. Okay. And finally we got this brightened LED. Okay. So this is the our project for now. So this is a very simple thing. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.